Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will practice reading CVC Words Level 1. And once again, this is teacher Yumi. So are you ready? Let's start. Cat. The cat plays with a blue ball. The cat plays with a blue ball. Bat. The bat flies high at night. The bat flies high at night. Rat. The rat is brown. The rat is brown. Fat. The boy is fat. The boy is fat. Mat. The mat is blue. The mat is blue. Hat. The hat is big. The hat is big. Sat. The boy sat on the chair. The boy sat on the chair. Bat. The boy has a bat. The boy has a bat. Van. The van is green. The van is green. Fan. The fan is beautiful. The fan is beautiful. Can. The can is red. The can is red. Pan. The pan is new. The pan is new. Run. He ran fast. He ran fast. Mad. The girl is mad. The girl is mad. Bad. The boy is bad. The boy is bad. Dad. I love my dad. I love my dad. Sad. He is sad. He is sad. Pad. This is a yellow pad paper. This is a yellow pad paper. Lap. His hands are on his lap. His hands are on his lap. Gap. The footbridge has a gap. The footbridge has a gap. Map. This is the Philippine map. This is the Philippine map. Cap. This is an orange cap. This is an orange cap. Nap. Nap. The girl naps on the sofa. The girl naps on the sofa. Okay, thank you. And I hope that you learned from today's lesson. And once again, this is teacher Yumi. So please subscribe and please follow me also on my FB page, Teacher Yumi Vlog. Thank you and God bless.